Don't man na market today.
You know, don't sell in the market
What I
today.
mean?
Business what man business closed down.
And I'm here calling, cause you're calling for the old passport, because you can't no money come give me. But what better here?
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
And I'm here calling, cause you're calling for the old passport, because you can't no money come give me the daily I put that hotel, it ain't a bit yeah, go to free fat girl, we are run with the pit now, man, and that's what you go look for. Are you in farmer? Because you must week. 3 weeks you don't sleep with the man. I know you're human gonna come to this one now. I soon gonna the boy. I soon gonna take big old fat monkey. Are you in farmer? You take out them fitting mumma coming out from a fresh stand. Your breast
That's your next man. You have big stone here.
and give and text it and give a big lick in the head back. But yeah, woman I run back at you like your tail. And I run call look man. I shot some place so they then just chop off your damn middle.
Just show the man know why you.
I can't there with the people that woman. And plus I get there with girl up so come back again there with the girl with the mumpy picnic. I run like him she accident.
You don't say me not big lesson of this guy. I'm in farmer.
Are you in farmer kind of top there with the scheme girl lemon? Like your manager. You must walk better here. You must walk better.
Yes. You? Boy, I want president, you. Watch him. You think he's easy? Watch him.
You try me me. Hey, Linston, I'm not afraid I'm not of Jamaica. One young person licking skin.
Who name so?
The one that no one that come in here now. Want to lick all them skin too. Let them know them space. Cause you say a pass, I say I give me help. I have so much good. I have out band and the little black monster man. Don't let me get when me forget it. If you are the warrior man.
You can't drive like a grip. Go, boy, go. What's the last one? Yo, give me signal. Yeah, I'm also.
Nothing.
Let me say, hey, just say, come on.
You they get me now again.
Chain and tum. Yo, what's up?
Yeah, man.
Chain
Listen, hey, my phone soon come through.
You hear that?
They come in
Your
a
phone
barrel
so
now.
up late.
They come in a barrel now.
Eh? Your phone come in a barrel?
Yeah, man, in a
Tell the
barrel.
phone, you not go good then, man. You go press out.
And no different things they come in a barrel.
The phone I go press out.
Yeah, so the phone in a
How
barrel.
are you going, sir?
You understand, auntie?
Your phone can't come in a barrel, go squeeze up, sick and go press out it.
No, sir. No,
I mean, tin food, I go mash up it.
You don't have one closet.
Like you take about closet. Closet can't come in a barrel.
What do you mean?
Like you take, man. Watch him.
Put it close in a one. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. You think you? Any day you're dead, me cry till wait. I miss him, man. You can't dead. Pretty boy, no. Look at people say what going on.
Yeah, stop your brother, stop.
My friend is a man. Who is that?
Yeah,
My
go.
friend is a
You want to
anything.
live like Michisla, who live the longest. Michisla.
Who?
Who live the longest.
Who?
Michisla.
Mrs. La.
Yeah.
Who is
Yeah.
that? Who is that? Who is that? Michisla?
Yeah.
He still living?
You know that man there?
He still living?
Me say you know him.
No, sir. Yeah, man live longer than him still. Everybody, you know, look on the two best friend them.
If me bear,
Look up in the phone, man.
If me bear,
Look up in the phone. Watch out, man.
Eh?
Look on the two best friend them. Watch out.
Look how them live.
You see you? You see you?
Smile for the camera. Yes, Claudette, smile for the camera. Yes, Claudette, smile for the camera. Over here, though, smile for the camera. Over here, though, smile for the camera.
Me no, I don't care.
You let them man, see there.
I don't care.
You let them man.
No, I don't care.
Laugh. I say we are going to build sick man. I'm telling you, man. I say we are make money, man. Because they don't pay no mind. I see and I talk about uncle is, I'm never. I'm uncle is, I'm this, I'm that. I saw them, I say.
They not give me that.
Hey, they not link up. When they see them, I say, oh, right.
See how close me approach me on the phone.
Stand there, man. You are boss, man. No raid, man. No tell them, no tell them too much, man.
Money. Damn, you can't come look you one another.
Cooler, man. Ambitious youth, you know what thing got. Top of the line,
Get
man.
all my papers and put down.
Turn up some roses or some taps. Turn up some give people.
Yeah. Uncle me.
Boss want some money for buy up some things, you know what thing.
And get out the passport.
Yeah, boss want make a flight. I want to go to a realty, you know.
Yes.
We don't have my passport already. We want to look both females and thing.
Yeah, we want to come replace to all of you.
Cool, man. Show up your life, my bro. Show up your life. Money with the body slam there.
Help me, man. Help me. And when we come there, man, we give more laughing.
Anytime we make money, man, you know say I might get money, man. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
The man that we don't left them out.
Yes, you are. No, I hear that can't every time buy no money, no. You can't take drug profit, man. I want thing that kind of now. Bring me up to class.
You know do what?
You know, bring me up to class.
Up to class. Rotted. So what kind of money now you up to class now?
Man, we're not nice. We can't drive. We can't put my foot back down.
How many bags cover this?
Yes, I'm animal drive.
I no got beach. You wear all your what? 2 piece?
2 piece. I brought there my panty. And me animal go dive and just put up for river falls. I just put down a wine and go in the water go dive there. Me come on it, me climb on him back. I went in don't know him climb from me.
Right, it's supposed
Yo.
My love for them will never die.
You making people laugh. Right now it's all me. I'm belly me have to hold every time, brother.
Yeah, man. But,
Business open and business closed down.
yeah, business open and business closed down. Thank you and have a pleasant evening.
Yeah.
And don't leave me out. We have some more gifts to give away.
Yeah. Yeah, man, tell the people say I want some gift, I want to do some fundraising, man. Say I want a couple things. Tell the people what you need, man.
I need a little cash.
Yeah.
And garments.
Cool, man.
Etc. down the line.
Yeah, because you want your life to set back up and something.
Yeah, man, and you can see me.
You want to live a couple of life before you're gone.
I want to look, take the plane and come look for you.
Yeah, guys, people, watch enough ladies say, you know, say, I do want pretty man.
Oh, God, man, I want you.
You say they want pretty boy when I agree, you know?
No, but me good looking man.
Cool, man.
Me usually come to the town and me and Lenny Brown.
No, when the wife, when the wife, send me something nice off the road. And the man bus to, you know.
Why?
And when the man done, he let me have the blue bag then. I know say blue bag then go tell him. And she call me and me tell him. Me not give me tell him, say husband, I see next year run out the husband too.
Rotting.
And so things clothes, that's like that the man comes from, you know. Ronnie be name, but the man man everything is in grab up. That not coming like one bike man one night, so me a go now, one night.
Say hello.
Me know we father, our man come to me and say, well, me and put all the wife in Social Security together.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, I didn't know that. Now they make a night dinner. And tell the wife, say, look out, the first in the body apart. I thank you, me over the boy.
Business open, business closed down.
Yes, sir.
Business open, business closed down.
The woman na market today, I know.
You know, you don't sell in the market today. How you do?
Me pass and I look that food for my friend. And me a beg one money. The man want to come here and Philip. Me just tell him, I say, let me and say, me not kill you in here, mash up your face. I go and buy one knife and walk with the watch.
Miss Claudette giving me some advice.
All married. Get good sword, no sword the fryer. Sword the good. Sword the good like foreign, somebody foreign nice woman where they can go and come and deal with them. Now say white people because me not make you mix with that good woman.
Hello.
But Jesus, Winkle, I want you, Winkle, want you.
Hola, Carlos.
One thing about them strip clubs you gotta remember, stripper arms are not like regular women's arms. They do not know how to touch you delicately. Delicately. That don't sound right. Delicately. Delicately. I'm a stupid bitch. Delicately. Is that right? Delicately. They don't know how to touch you delicately. Almost had it. Delicately. Delicately. That's the word I'm looking for. Delicately. Delicately. Got it. What I was talking about?
Papa, hoekom lag jy nie vandag net nie? Jy voel mos vrolik vandag.
Ja.
Yo, I'm looking for some credit, boy. You know how to sell credit, Tango?
Yeah, look for
Credit. For
credit.
Yeah, for food.
One man I sell credit down there, sir.
Yeah.
Understand?
Okay.
You have to go straight down, sir.
Yeah.
You understand? Boss a right, boss a left, boss a right, boss a left, boss a right, boss a left. You understand?
Yeah.
You're not gonna make one straight corner. After you pass the corner, you're gonna see a red stone. And me paint it. You understand?
I
You have
check.
to evo over the stone, right?
Yeah.
You cannot go around the stone, you have to evo over the stone.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah, okay.
After you evo over the stone, you do like Usain Bolt and do 100 meter. You do 100 meter, you go straight. You're gonna make two little boy, them rude.
Yeah.
One name, what his name? Mackerel, one name banana. One name banana.
Yeah.
You see it? After you pass them boy there, you have to go swim 100 meter again. Pass the Pacific.
What?
After you pass the Pacific, you go down, you touch the Titanic, come back up. Then
Fuck that one going on.
Brother, fix
A phone of my youth. Every time people are call it, I go straight to unveil. So, unavailable, brother. I want to my fix your phone, my youth. I'm tear dog.
Wait for it, part 1 of eating cocoa bread.
I'm boy, man, tell you, man, say, yo. You tell you, man, say, man, me a happy man. Tell him, man, it. Me say, youth, me dear youth, that one woman can cook a big gun for me. I'm saying, if you no shape me. Yeah, man, see, man.
Around with you.
See, cook a big, come on, man. Me have to cook a big together, come on, man. Anything I make it nice shape me and you. Anything I make it
Come on, dark, you know, brother.
Come on, see, you half, man.
Yeah, man, dark, man, no cocoa bread. Definitely go eat.
Not your cocoa bread, Mr. Man. Come on, man.
Dark, man, no farmer eating with no coke.
Oh, baby, I'm on the outside. Can you give me a kiss? Sugar, sugar, my baby, my baby, my baby.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. How are you? How are you too? You too? Uh-huh. Why do you want to see doctor? Let's start with you. You have headache. You are gonna need brain surgery. Yeah, brain transplant. You're gonna change your brain. Go and see accountant. How about you? Why do you want to see doctor? Eh? You have chest pain. Which side? Here. Eh? You are gonna need heart transplant. I'm gonna change your heart. Go and see accountant. How about you? Yo, yeah. Why do you want to see doctor? Cold is catching you. Are you shivering? Yeah. It's your skin. Your skin is very bad. We're gonna do skin transplant. Go and see accountant. You. Why are you looking at me like that? This your eyes. These your eyes need eye transplant.
Easter are the weirdest holiday. Like the only holiday not have a fixed date. It fall upon the month where it one fall upon and the date where it one fall upon. Christmas are every 25th. New Year's are the 1st. Boxing Day are the 26th. Why Easter not a fixed date? Then the next thing will make it all weird too. And the only holiday I see people eat rabbit and egg. Like them have one rabbit to lay egg and I run up and down and I hide the egg all over the place. And you have to find the rabbit and the egg and eat them. And then people have bun and cheese. And then you have this rabbit on the bun box. What the rabbit have to do with bun? Only for the rabbit them grind out and put in the bun them. Because almost every Easter bun box me look on, me see one rabbit on it. It don't make sense. Big man thing, Easter the weirdest holiday. No fixed date, rabbit will lay egg. Man I eat all sprat and bun and cheese and have no significance to do with nothing. When you explain this to me, and I like Easter. Again.
When you know make container meat turn over Jamaica brethren, you know make no container chicken turn over we come from no country where we don't know about. When you know make container meat turn over Jamaica, make a container a chicken back turn over Jamaica. Why you could turn over the container where you carry the chicken back home, brethren? Why you have it turn over chicken? Eh? How me love chicken back? I wish 2 container chicken back the turn over Jamaica. Because on the big Sunday, me da have a big ever pot of curry chicken back for fire. So next time, brethren, we will kick off one container of chicken back. So the Jamaican people can get a container of chicken back. Yes. I want to see how we fix up with curry chicken back. So next time, don't bother with this chicken what we don't know about. Because we don't know the chicken that will come. So I'm not going to hear me. But turn over the container chicken.
Galingan mo ha? Okay. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. To you, galing tay.
Awa, why you clean up your mouth, fa? I first poof clean you up.
Coffee, yeah, pay you with this. When you eat it, go buy it.
So my son asked me that he wants a brother or a sister, right? He said if we can order them, if we can buy them. And then he said to me, where did we buy him? Where did we buy him?
Part 1. Wait for it.
Tell him say it's a sunny day, yeah? Alright, yeah, madam.
Kasongo, yeah. Mombali nanga. Kasongo, mbona wewe. Songa libala. Oh, yeah.
Bless you.
Kasongo, mbona wewe. Mbona wewe. Mombali nanga.
Say, who married Rosalie?
You will have our better balloon?
Yeah, Rosalie.
Better balloon lazy. I will take care of me. Rosalie now move. She work me like a slave.
What mean she not move?
She don't move. Where Rosalie I do? Where the balloon that? You must have a next one in the rocking that little, innit?
No, Rosalie may talk.
But Rosalie now go move on dinner. No, I cook me dinner. Sometimes I want to bathe me in the morning.
Who you want to bathe you?
My woman bathe me.
For do what?
Put me in a bath and car.
Put you in a bath, yeah, baby?
Yeah. I want a bath, I'm tired. I should bathe.
So you want your woman put you in a bath?
Hey, it's a bath. Not a bathroom, restroom. You want to bathe if you're tired, you know? What do you
So why
can't take care of man?
So why you never tell me to bathe yet?
But we don't have no bath.
Come on, bathe now.
Hold on, man, cool up, man. Hey, you man can't bathe.
Come on, my bathe.
I'm tired.
I say, come at my bathe.
Come and get hungry, man. Go buy bun and cheese.
Come at my bathe, you know?
Go buy bun and cheese, you ready?
Mr. come make me beard yo.
No bath there in there, a shower.
Me beard in the shower.
No man, I say beard man.
Oh, you beard man?
You have to have a bath.
You're not happy?
You have to turn the shower, put a bath in there.
Wait, where you want to stand up in the bath for?
You're not going to stand up in your man and beard, you lie down. You know the bath, you're not. Hey, you don't know.
So how me and you fall in the bath?
You know bath in the house. You know beard in the bath yet. You have to put your yard and show up there.
How can I bath them here?
The long bath in the bath.
Oh, I think so. Washing pan bath.
No. A bath it name too.
The tub.
No, the bathroom.
The tub.
You will put a candle around and champagne. And your woman in the bed, you're not bathing no one on the.
So Jerry, if me go in and me I use the bathroom, me I there, me I use the bathroom.
Shower or bath?
Me I use the toilet, me I defecate.
You mean?
Yeah. It a come in there for me?
I don't know. Me not go. I'm sorry for shit. And your man can use the bathroom. You alone use the bathroom. Because your man not sleep with you.
You know about me?
No, me going to say. The better me go come in the bathroom with you.
Yeah.
The man don't go in the bathroom go be and them something in the bathroom yet.
I never do that yet.
Oh yeah, you miss stuff for your life, miss man.
So you can show me how to do it?
In the bathroom?
No. Just tell me.
When you animal babe, but I shower about. You should be up in your belly.
No. No.
Then you be a man a babe.
Jerome, no.
Oh, you need to learn them things.
Oh, you do it.
Thing like you in the bed. I said, but you not live in the
So you do them so.
Oh, you mean? Tiptoe, up, come jump in a bed. Because I'm going to take it out. I'm going to go squeeze the tea.
Quiz?
Quiz now.
What your name quiz?
Yeah. Can't come out and in her from the bath.
Squeeze. Oh,
squeeze.
Squeeze? Like a squeeze it?
Yeah.
But it's not going to hurt you?
Hurt what? Look at time because hey, soft she'll get it, but I'm hip man, but it's not you.
Yeah.
Say squeeze it.
Squeeze.
Yeah, squeeze.
And go in.
Yeah.
So you enjoy your childhood?
What do you mean? All of me I tell them I do them, you know. The girl pitney, you know. Oh. All of
I want problems always.
Alright guys, good morning. So basically what I'm show you is I get some Chinese tea from my brethren them. Some Chinese people, I know. But this is what the tea bags look like in the parcel. Right? I'm not sure what I mean, but a Chinese tea. So we'll check it out. Alright, so I'm go ahead and rip the bag open. Hold on. Alright, so basically this is how the tea come in our bag. This is how the tea come. Alright, so we're gonna drink it. Alright, so basically I brewed the tea a while ago. And when we put it in a pot, this is how it look like. You understand? So it look in a pot. So I'm gonna throw it out in a cup already and I'm gonna drink some. Alright, so I'm gonna drink it now. So stand by for the flavor reveal. Tastes like green tea. And it give me a vibe when I drink it like shisha, shisha. Why look at me and talk and shisha now, fish and shisha, shisha.
Oh my god.
How do you want to? How much money that? They are shakes up.
How much?
Look funny now.
Don't you? Don't you?
Show me the man. Look funny.
Don't you?
I thought, eh?
Yo, the people them out there will make the container chicken drop off one day, and the Jamaican people them find it and I share it up. Nothing wrong with that. But when you remember say, I know Christmas now. You hear? So we don't need no chicken right now. Easter come, so make sure you don't have a container when I go drop off again with beer, Easter bun and cheese. Because I know everybody out there can buy one Easter bun and one cheese. And Jamaican people love their Easter bun and chocolate tea. So make sure you don't have a container line up right now. We show off by now and weekend. So we can find with beer, bun and cheese, no matter how much. One container bun and cheese you want right now. So just make sure so you have a container line up for that. Okay? And not take too late which way you are.
So people, this is Rumbas, and we are going to say the national anthem. And this is not a laughing matter, because you know when we are drink rum, we not laugh and we not joke. So please put your right hand over your chest. We're going to say the anthem. Stand together. After 2, 1, 2. Please check to ensure that you have enough tracer to drink this rum. If you don't have enough tracer, please put it down and return later.
I mean to do it.
Me go home go catch my best friend and my man there in her bedroom and she had jump up and say, I'm so sorry, Hope, I'm so sorry, but I never mean to do it. And I say, sorry for what? What did I mean to do? They said, I just come from here and your husband was there. And what I did with him, I mean to do it, so enjoy yourself and come back later.
Watch out, Steve Boss. I run and come again, and I come another factual. Yo, come in, bro. Where you run, bro?
Where are you, my boss?
Jaja know, bro. Where you run, sir?
You don't know what I say? Big man thing, dog. I'll show you something I like. You see, I'm a relationship I run from. My girlfriend called me and said she ready for cut. And when I check her stack, I wear the shadow. Other way you may go, you see anybody were willing to walk out of your life, bro, willing to go away from them. So watch her style and she gone so me go on so look at me.
You're
Yo, Zabo, you're so cool, man. You're so cool. Oh, you're so cool, sir. Take it easy, man. You know, you have to live.如果不是亲眼所见，我是万万不敢相信的。
Whoa. If ever you are in foreign and you're thinking about building a little tattoo on a little piece of rock when you jam down, now is a good time. And right now, me is like one of the whole time personal fridge and we broke down. Me not keep nothing for you. Right now, 1 ton of steel costs between $112 and $125,000 depending on which part you shop. That is a steal, pun intended. You can get one load of stone dust and one load of all purpose between $70,000 and $80,000 each, depending on who your truck man be. 1,000 black will go between $145,000 and $165,000, depending on whether or not you're arranging your own delivery. A piece of 2B6 14 length will go between $1,700 and $2,500, depending on where you shop. The same length 2B4 or 1B3 range between $1,000 and $1,800. One sheet applies between $3,500 and $6,000, and a yard of sand. How much is a yard of sand? I remember the sand price. All in all, if you want to catch up 2 little black of Jamaica and draw 1 little sheet of zinc over it, don't make nobody discourage you. What's now when the crime rate go down? Shh, take time talk. The same people then we are issue travel advice when I tell people say they know if you come to Jamaica, are the same one them come out and come buy up the land them for little and nothing and build big old mansion and live lavish lifestyle and have with their foreign trade that we own a country. By the time we come to our senses and I try to secure a little piece of land for ourselves, we cannot afford it. Listen, don't make nobody tell you nothing. Even if you tell yourself you now come back to Jamaica, come live, rent out if you want 10 or 115 a year and then sell it back. You can't go wrong with real estate at Jamaica. The hungry thing we can say right now is Jack Mandora. I not choose none because I don't know what else to tell you to say.